today I'm going to show you how to bake a cake. First, you turn on the oven in 200 degrees. Then you get this cake pan. Then you put wheat flour. But first you put the butter and then the wheat flour so the cake don't glue in the cake pan. So the ingredients are 5 spoons of butter, 150 ml of milk, 3 eggs, and the chocolate powder mixer. First, you're going to put the chocolate powder in the bowl of the mixer. Then you will break the 3 eggs and put it in a cup so you see that if it's, and then you put this here in the bowl. And the last one. And now you are going to get the 5 spoons of butter and put it in the bowl of the blender. Here. And the 50 ml from the 150 ml of milk. And now you are going to put the bowl of the blender in the blender. And you're going to turn it on and stay there for 5 minutes. So next step, we are going to put the dough into the cake pan. So now I already put the dough into the cake pan, and now I'm going to put it in the oven. We're going to let the cake in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes. So now the cake already stayed 40 minutes in the oven. Now we're going to put the cake pan in a plate. So it will stay 15 minutes before we eat it. I made this cake with love for you guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Now I'm going to wait 15 minutes before I eat it. Bye bye.